This video won't have much animations or sound effects because I want you guys to listen to this huge opportunity before this December ends. People have already started doing it and many are making 10 times more money than usual. But before everything, be ready to give in your blood, sweat and tears to this few days because if you genuinely accept my challenge, I promise you will make tens and thousands of dollars every single day for a whole straight month. So let's begin. Have you ever noticed this new trend happening nowadays where creators who have millions of subscribers are posting videos more consistently this month? An example for this would be Airrack. Just go through his channel. He has posted a new series where he have challenged MrBeast by saying he will upload a video every single day for the next 30 days and if he fails to do that, MrBeast has the right to delete his channel.
And I promise I will delete it if he skips one day.
This particular video stating the above rules were posted 9 days ago and ever since then, Airrack started posting every single day. But this isn't just a challenge. In fact, Airrack pre-recorded and edited all his 30 videos and they are all waiting in line to be posted. If you don't believe me, check this video from Ryan's channel, which he posted on October. Airrack appeared in this video for a few seconds and disappeared. But this video was made in October or even before that. But guess what? Airrack posted the same video from his point of view just 2 days ago. So why is Airrack doing this risky challenge and why is he posting videos every single day which he could have simply done in few months? For understanding this concept, we have to dig deep into our analytics section in YouTube. There is a small metric called RPM or revenue per milla which decides the overall money each YouTuber makes for every 1,000 views. So this RPM can change based on the niche they are in, the topic they are covering, the video length, etc. And because of that, some channels have $1 as their RPM and some channels has $20 to $30 as their RPM, which is pretty damn high. Which also means that imagine you have a monetized YouTube channel with $1 as your RPM. So if one of your video gets 1 million views, YouTube will pay you $1,000 as your YouTube revenue. But Airrack in his niche would have at least $5 as their RPM, which means that he would get at least $5,000 for every million views. And when we go through his channel, we can see that every video he posted during this challenge has an average of 1.5 million views. And day after day, it will gain more and more views. So if you take that 1.5 million views as his average and multiply it with 30 days and do all the other math above, we get to this number which is a minimum of $225,000 which is almost $250,000 earned from a single month alone. This really doesn't answer why he chose to post all these videos on December because he could have done the same strategy in any part of the year, right? And also why are creators who are lazy to post on other months consistently posting on December? I already told you about the RPM system YouTube uses. But during December, the Christmas month, holidays are happening globally. People are buying gifts and decorations. Companies are trying to balance their sheet by spending more money on products. People are buying subscriptions. Offers are happening all around the world. And similarly, YouTube visualize on their ad revenue also gives every monetized creator a boost in RPM. This is because the conversion in ads are more during this month. So companies bids more money on ads and as a result, the RPM as well as the CPM increases. Also, have you seen this popular trend where phones and laptop companies are launching new phones during November and December? That is also because of the same reason. So Airrack, who has a minimum of $5 RPM, might get an extra $2 to $3 as bonus. Wait, let's just consider $1 bonus for now. So after doing all of this calculation, his total revenue for this one particular month would be around $270,000 as a minimum. Also for every video, he will definitely have a sponsor. Maybe affiliate links will be given and also merch will be sold. And on top of all of that, this is the estimated views we calculated. All the other videos in his channel will also get more views due to this current trend or challenge which is happening. So within this 1 month alone, he will earn a minimum of $1 million after adding all the other income sources. And the reason number 2 why he chooses December and why you should also post more videos even if you have a monetized or a non-monetized channel is because it's holiday seasons and people have a lot of free time. So use it to your advantage but don't post spam content. Respect your viewers' time and make the best out of December. See you guys in another video. Bye.